Hello everybody! What the heck, hello? Oh my gosh, I need a spray tan real bad. We are in our new house! It's so exciting. We've been going through the home buying process for almost 4 months now. It's absolutely insane. Might do an entire separate video just on how crazy it was and how stressful it was, especially with how crazy the market is. But I wanted to share with you guys before and after what our house looks like now, while we're moving in, while it's kind of empty and we're trying to make it a home, and then once we get it completed. But I'm super excited and I can't wait to look back on this in the years to come. So let's do a before house tour. Okay, so say hello to my car. This is our garage. Nothing really too much to brag about, but if you come through the garage door, you will see our kitchen, which is definitely a work in progress right now. I'm trying to figure out where I even want to put everything. This should be a dining area, but to be honest, we never eat at the dining table. We always eat on the couch, so don't know if we'll necessarily use that. Probably just use the bar stools to eat. This is our backyard. We got a pool. It's raining out, otherwise I'd probably just go jump in the pool just to celebrate. We're also trying to fill it up and clean it right now. And we've got a nice little side yard for the puppies. Super excited. This is our living room. All we have in it is the dog bed, so apparently he's the only one who's gonna be comfy. We're gonna mount the TV on the wall. She left some curtains. And this is the front door. Whoa. All right, this is all wet. This is the front of our home. Oh my gosh, my chair is probably so, oh, it is. So this is my favorite part of the outside. If you see, there's a swivel chair. I love swinging on it. I've only been here for a day, but I absolutely love it. It'll be so nice to read in the morning out there, go take the doggies for a walk. Okay, downstairs. So we are in a bi-level. This is going to be a theater room. We like the setup that was initially here, but we want a huge TV. Like, I don't even know how big you can get flat screens these days. They're probably like 70, 80 inches. So we're probably gonna take the top shelves down, put a big TV up, and then put speakers, mount speakers on the sides of them. And then I'll probably put all my Marvel posters and stuff down here because those are our favorite movies to watch, and make it an entertainment room. We're gonna buy a sectional to go along here and maybe even some lights, like some really fun theater lights. I don't know. I'm just excited. It's gonna be super cute. We have a guest bedroom. It's a good size, and I love this barn door. I freaking love barn doors. They're a thing right now, and I adore them. So yeah, this will be nice. I don't know if we're gonna use it as a guest bedroom or if Trey, my boyfriend, if he is going to use it as his gaming room, because you know, we each need our own space. This is our full bath downstairs. A really nice finish. Unfortunately, she took the washer and dryer, so we're gonna go get our own set. But we do have this small but usable clothing drying area. Make sure I turn off the lights. All right, and to the upstairs. Also, I shouldn't have to apologize for the way I look, but considering it's raining, I've been working at home all day. I had this awesome cold sore, which I think is from the stress of this whole process because it was a nightmare, to be honest. Again, whole nother video. If I decide to go into it, I probably should, just to give a story time. People on my Snapchat have been hearing about it for months now. No makeup on, full cold sore. I'm sweating even though it's raining because I'm trying to run up and downstairs and unpack stuff. So you're getting the full unfiltered and stressed Shelby. Hi, how you doing? Now that that disclaimer's out of the way, this is our half bath. I do not know where any of these light switches are. Oh, right here. Super cute. So someone wants to come stay with us. I love it. And then another guest bedroom, but I think this is going to be my office. I shouldn't say I think, I'm pretty dang sure. What the heck? Why is the floor discolored? Okay, that's concerning, but just left some curtains, so I'll have this nice view. I'm thinking of putting an L-shaped desk right here, putting my Mac up, even though I don't get to use my Mac when I work from home because I have an office laptop. But having an office set up here for work from home, for running Champions for HD, hopefully doing some more music and, you know, getting back on the grind with YouTube because I've been off of it for months. And here I will probably use this wall for filming. And yeah, not sure what kind of decoration I will use, but I think it'll be a good setup. And last, but certainly not least, our empty main bedroom. She left this little chandelier. It's cute, but it does you can't really tell from the video, but it does hang kind of low because your girl is pretty short. I'm 5'4", Trey's only like 5'7", 5'8", and I feel like it could almost touch me, which is concerning because again, I'm not that tall, but I have all this fun stuff to put away. My goal is, maybe I should do a whole nother video on this. I want to get rid of like half of my clothes, and I don't know if I'll be able to do it because I always say I'm going to do it and then I get too emotionally attached, but I don't wear half of my crap and it's getting to be a lot. So we'll see if I can get through my stuff. Trey has a lot less clothing than I do. But look at this walk-in closet. Oh my gosh. I'm literally so in love. I mean, I have to be not selfish and share it with Trey. I'm not gonna lie to you, I could totally use that by myself because I have that much stuff. I only had one other walk-in closet growing up. My parents are divorced. So when I lived with my dad, he built me this brand new big bedroom with a square walk-in closet. This one is just a long rectangle, but I used that whole closet, and I haven't had a walk-in closet since though. I think that I left that house when I was like 16 or 17, so it's been like 7 years. So I'm long overdue for a walk-in closet. Our main bathroom. It's super cute. I love that we have 2 sinks. We had another house we were originally going to get that didn't work out, and we didn't even have an ensuite. We didn't have a bathroom connected to our main bedroom. We didn't even have a his and hers. So I'm super excited about this. Look at this tub. Oh my gosh. I mean, the only downfall is that it's not a jacuzzi, but still, it's a nice freaking bathtub. And actually the woman who was here before us, she had a small TV that she put there. It was kind of too small in my opinion, but then again, I've never had a bathroom or a TV in a bathroom. And I think I would more so freak out that it was gonna fall in and electrocute me, but that's just that. And then, there's the light. Look at this freaking shower. What the heck? It's so pretty. And I was worried about how many shower heads there would be, or, you know, if you could take them off, because that's a big pet peeve of mine. Wow, definitely did not disappoint. I'm literally looking forward to this just to shave my legs, because anyone who shaves their legs will tell you that it is like an Olympic sport, trying to lather, shave, rinse, and not fall on your butt. Been there. That is an empty house tour. I wanted this to share with everyone, but also I think it'd be fun to look back on, you know, 5, 10, 15 years from now. Eventually when we get married and have kids, it'd just be fun to look back on this and to have these memories. Thanks for being here through it. To all of my friends and family and you guys out there. It's been a really stressful process, but honestly, I'm so grateful for you all. So I will keep you guys updated. Hi puppies, what do you think? Oh, what do you think of new house? Rudy, 5 months, and Gamora, who's 2 months. What do you think of the house? What do you think of the house? They're like, where do all these stairs go?